This is the Ava Microfibre Mop accessory for Ava or Karcher pressure washers. It's a simple but versatile accessory that I've been really impressed with so far. The front face of the mop looks very much like a microfibre noodle mitt, the sort of thing you'd use when shampooing your car. But underneath the microfibre front cover, you've got this regular series of pores which allow water to flow continuously through. This flow is designed to push out any dirt which would get trapped between the fibres, so it's constantly rinsing out the mop head as you use it. And that should mean you're not dragging any contaminants across sensitive surfaces like paintwork. I know a lot of people are rightly very careful when it comes to cleaning vehicle paintwork, but look how clean this is. Now you obviously wouldn't use this directly on an absolutely filthy vehicle. Your first stage should always be to get rid of the major contaminants using a pre-wash like this snow foam. If you let that dwell and then pressure wash it off, that should remove the vast majority of the grime before your contact wash. It should then be safe to apply a shampoo, let it dwell for a while just so the surfactants can work. And you can then use the mop just like you would a microfibre mitt, except that you don't have to keep rinsing it out in a bucket, and because it fits onto the lance you've got greater reach. If you're worried about that string you can see there in the video, you can actually tuck that away underneath the cap. The string's attached to a toggle which you can undo if you want to remove the microfibre cover. For example, you might want to wash it if you've got it particularly dirty. If I turn the head over, you can see the arrangement of the holes I was talking about earlier, where the water comes through. You can see that they're arranged so that the water flows evenly across the whole face of the mop. You can actually buy a pack of replacement covers. These give you a range of colours and textures which you can use for coarse or fine cleaning. Now I don't claim to be a detailing expert, I'm just giving you my opinions as an enthusiastic amateur. But if you want to know what a professional thinks about this mop, at the end of this video I'll post a link to a much more detailed review by a professional detailer who gives you some great tips on using this microfibre mop. One thing I do know though is having the extra reach makes the whole cleaning process much quicker, and it's also a lot kinder on your back. This accessory on a long lance would be ideal for cleaning vans, motorhomes, caravans, etc. Okay, you might need to use a step ladder to get up to the roof, but then you should be able to reach the whole roof from a single position. Especially if you're using an extending lance like the one which comes with the Ava Easy range. You can see here I can easily reach the gutters and the fascia boards on my bungalow from ground level. It's actually quite a versatile attachment for your pressure washer. Because the water's flowing at low pressure, it's safe to use on windows and doors. You're not going to damage the seals. The large head allows you to clean large areas like this garage door quickly, and the soft textured microfibre head is great for cleaning items like garden furniture. And like all Ava accessories, you can use this mop on Karcher pressure washers as well, because like all Ava accessories, it's got the bayonet fitting which is compatible with the Karcher K series. If you've got a Karcher with a built-in detergent dispenser like this K4, which mixes your detergent in with the Waterflow, this could work really well with this microfibre mop. You'd get a constant feed of fresh, clean solution to the microfibre mop face. That's definitely something I'm going to try out. If you're interested in this Ava microfibre mop, I'll put Ava and Amazon links in the description below. It's not expensive, and I've actually found it to be a really useful accessory. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, leave a thumbs up. Any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Big Ted's Home and Garden. I'll see you soon.